With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that why should we conserve forest and wildlife, right? So there are many reasons that we need to conserve forest and wildlife. So one of the most important reason is that forest is a home, right? Forest is a home for so many plants and animals, and it is not a good thing to destroy anyone's house, right? Anyone's home. So that is why we really need to conserve forest, right? Because then in that case so many plants and animals will lose their home, right? And then they will have or they will lose their habitat, and then they will come onto the road. Because if we destroy their home, then they will come onto the road and will create problem for the humans for sure, right? Now the second thing is that if we do not conserve the forest and wildlife, then there'll be the ecological imbalance, right? That will lead to the ecological imbalance, right? Because the plants and animals, they are right, they live in forest and they are mainly responsible, right? They're somehow responsible for the regular cycles of the season, right? For the regular cycles of the season, right? Then moving on, right? Then moving on to the next reason why we need to conserve the forest. So the another reason is that there are so many people who are dependent on forest, right? Who are dependent on forest for their daily livelihood, right? For their daily livelihood, such as tribal people, right? Such as tribal population are they are very much dependent on the forest for their daily livelihood. So that is why we also need to conserve the forest, right? Then the last reason that can account for the conservation of forest and wildlife is basically that wildlife is a part of the ecosystem, right? We know that the animals and plants, they are the part of the ecosystem. So if the forests are destroyed, right, so their population, right, so if the forests are destroyed, then in that case there'll be an imbalance in the population, right? The population will get affected, right? Their population will get affected, right? That will further lead to the affecting that will further affect the food chain, right? Or will bring an imbalance in the food chain. So these are the various reasons that why we need to conserve the forest and wildlife, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.